welcome to Istanbul International Airport, and I'll take you on a walking tour. Then we have Emporio Armani. So far, one of the nicest looking international airports I've been to. This is, yeah, comparable to Changi. My friend says this is so much better than Changi, but let's see. We've got Michael Kors on that corner. I think my personal favorite is still Changi, and next is Dubai. They have baklava. OMG, we have to buy baklava later. And Turkish delight, well, it's not really my favorite, but baklava is. Here's is Burger King, Arby's, Popeye, Subaru. Oh, here's a free Wi-Fi kiosk. This is what the ground floor looks like. So there's a terrace here. Let's go and see and experience it. Oh, this is awful. People are smoking here. That's a bad decision. Everyone's smoking. Awful. Never really did explore Turkey, so that's one for the books. We need to explore it soon. Go to Cappadocia. Take a hot air balloon ride early in the morning or at sunset. Oh, nice duty-free items. So got my Wi-Fi here. You have to scan your passport, and after that you'll have to print out a receipt like this for your passcode. Trying to buy gold, hoping I could find a good one, but they don't have anything in 18 carats. So all they have is in 14 or 22 carats, but I'm looking for 18 because I think 14 it's not poundable. I want something that's poundable because we could turn it into cash during emergencies. Okay, this is how it looks like. It's making me dizzy. Kaleidoscope. Pocket size, Turkish Delight, mini sizes. That's a good choice because I don't like these big ones. Plus, I'm not a big fan of Turkish Delights. And they have cheese and oranges. Oh my gosh. This reminds me of our meal, our in-flight meal. Plenty of cheeses. That was so yummy. Olive oils. Spices. Daphne leaf. It looks like the one that we use for adobo. Ooh, saffron, curcuma, sweet red. Sumac, this is my favorite. Sumac, this tastes sour. I love this. I miss this, but I only get this from Iraq. Oh, this one is for kofti. Yum. Oregano, chili, curry mint, hot red pepper, cumin, Ottoman spices, and black pepper. Oh, imagine this one. Shisha. And I think this is called backgammon. Great Turkish rugs. Ceramics. And my favorite soap. Turkish soap. Ooh, we've got the nice soaps here. I'd love to buy some stuff, but we are working towards financial independence. Beautiful kaftans. Winter-ish. But we're trying to save money and work with a budget. There's a museum here. We are heading to the IGA launch because my flight is still in 6, 7, 8 hours. So I'm told that we could hang out for free at the IGA launch. Cool, they even have a dental clinic and a salon and massage. But this salon is very much recommended because if you will see Turkish men and Kurdish men and how they trim their beard and their hair, awesome, like great service. The Istanbul Airport Museum. It's on the 2nd floor. Ancient city of Troy. I'm too close. Troy. Sultanahmet kami. Here we go. Faces of Throne. 12,000-year-old story of Anatolia. Oh, it's from 9 to 21. Hmm.